Hi friends, today we are going to see a very important topic, most useful topic, and definitely an important topic for the current scenario. This topic not only important for the current scenario, since time immemorial, this topic is very important. And what is that topic? How to live with 0% stress. That means no stress. So you are thinking, right? It's nice to hear. Is it possible, doctor? You are asking. It is possible. It is possible. You can live without stress throughout life. How to do it? I will just explain the secret with 3 rules. Follow that blindly. You are sure to live with 0% stress, with no stress throughout your life. What is the first one? How the brain is fabricated to function. The first one is you should not give any expectations to your mind. If you give expectations to your mind and if you are not fulfilling it due to some situations, even if you accept, okay, fine, no problem, your subconscious mind will not accept. Moment you give an expectation, until you achieve that, subconscious will always keep disturbing your mind in the form of stress. It has no voice to tell, do that, but indirectly it will tell, do that, achieve that, achieve that. How it will tell indirectly? It will make you live dull, it will make you live bored, it will make you live irritated, it will make you life frustrated, it will give a feeling, what life, I don't like at all, no peace at all, useless life. And prolongedly if you live, gradually subconscious will just introduce to addictive habits like drinking, smoking and all. Why all these things are coming? Because you are given some expectations but you are not fulfilling it. Sometimes the risk is you will develop expectation of something which is not humanly possible. By mistake you will just develop affinity for that and it goes to subconscious mind. You are not fulfilling it. It will give you lot of stress. So the first secret is don't give any expectations to subconscious mind. Never have any expectation. Instead, how to handle life. Whatever you get daily, right? Just enjoy life and pass the day. Next day you will be getting something. Enjoy, experience and pass the day. Next day you will be getting something, experience and pass the day. Like that you finish your life. That is the correct way of living. And if at all you are serious about you, I want ambition, I want to achieve goals, I have goals, all those things, yes, do it without expecting, without developing desire for it. Remaining attached unattachedly. Just work for your goal. Don't develop desire and attachment for it. Hope you understood. First point is that. Don't develop any expectations. Work without expectations. Okay? The second. See how the mind is fabricated, it is fabricated by fight or flight mode. The mind, if you have some problem, either you have to fight over it and win. Mind will leave you freely without stress. You have to approach with a killing attitude, fighting attitude and accomplish success. Or you should have an attitude that whatever the problem comes to your life, I yield, I surrender, I accept my defeat and accept the pain, punishment associated with yielding to it. Then also it won't give any stress. Neither fighting nor flighting, running away, without doing both, sitting in the middle and frozen state, fright mode, frozen state. If you are subjecting your mind in a continuous frozen state, gradually it will start developing stress and the stress keeps on accumulating. Prolongedly, if you live like this prolongedly, the stages are stress, then it go to the depression stage. Depression 3 stages, mild, moderate, acute depression. If you come for the treatment in mild or acute depressions, we can't treat at all. It will be very difficult. You will be given psychiatric drugs and lot of side effects, no permanent cure. You have to come in stress level itself or mild depression stage. So if you cross all these stages, mild, moderate and acute depression, even after that, if you are remaining idle without doing anything, then you will be getting suicidal thoughts. Continuous suicidal thoughts will come. Then ultimate suicide. Why these warning signals are coming? Depression, stress and all. Stress is telling you that something is not incorrect or good in your life. Correct it. Check it. Stress is telling only that. You have to understand. The third rule is, when you be getting stress, something happened in your life, you are not able to accept it. Or something you are expecting, it is not at all happening, you cannot compromise it. In these situations, only stress will come. Something which is happening, you are not able to accept it. Something which you are aiming for, yearning for, it is not happening. You get stressed. Something which happened in your life, you are not able to accept it. If you accept it, stress goes immediately. Something you are yearning, Y-E-A-R-N, something you are earning in life, it is not happening. Leave it, stress will go. Not leaving this, not accepting this, stress will be there with you. Stress is a very good warning emotions, good emotion, stress. People label stress as bad. Stress is good. What is stress emotion? It is telling you, hi friend, something that is happening in your life is not good. Correct it. That is the meaning of stress emotion. Even if you give 50,000 salary and you appoint a secretary and you tell her, remind me whenever I am getting stressed, she won't be so perfectly reminding you like the way your own mind reminding you. So follow all the 3 rules correctly, perfectly, fantastically to the minutest detail. Practice until it becomes your second nature. You will live guaranteedly with no stress at all. Just practice and let me know in the comment section. Okay? I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.